Welcome to Easy Learning. Today I will give some information about the healthy life. Health is the state of physical, mental and social well-being in which diseases and infirmity are absent. Laughing is good for the heart and can increase blood flow by 20%. Skin is the largest organ in the body and it defends against diseases and infection. Always look on the bright side. Being an optimist can help you live longer. Exercise will give you more energy even when you are tired. Too much sitting and sleeping can increase your chance of an early death. A lack of exercise now causes as many deaths as smoking. Nearly 30% of the world population is obese. Less than 1% of Americans ride their bike to work. Learning a new language or playing a musical instrument gives your brain boost. Drinking coffee can reduce the risk of depression. Smelling rosemary can increase alertness and improve memory. Writing things out by hand will help you remember them. Yoga can boost your cognitive function and lower stress. Walking outside can reduce negative thought and boost self-esteem. Antioxidants in chocolate improve blood flow and protect against UV damage. Tea can lower risk of heart attack, certain cancer, type 2 diabetes and Parkinson's disease. Eating oatmeal provides a serotonin boost to calm the brain and improve your mood. Women below the age of 50 need twice the amount of iron per day as men of the same age. An apple a day can reduce level of bad cholesterol. The amino acid found in egg can help improve your reflexes. Vitamin D is as important as calcium in determining bone health. The human body has more than 650 muscles. Regular activity can ease the severity and reduce the frequency of lower back pain. People who run 12 to 18 miles a week have a stronger immune system and can increase their bone mineral density. 5 glasses of water a day can reduce your chances of suffering from a heart attack by 40%. Dehydration could lead to back pain. The blue light in phone can mess with your circadian rhythm. Breathing deeply can improve circulation, decrease anxiety level and reduce blood pressure.